It's day one. We're in a pit blind. We're hoping the mallards will come in from the right, which is over there. South. So we're gonna hope they're gonna come from the south over there and come right in. So I'll fill you in if I get anything. Welp, I got one Drake Woody. I didn't get on camera though because I forgot to turn the camera. Then I ran out of memory, so I'm gonna have to go get the other camera. We got 2 ducks, so not a bad day. Yeah, those 2 geese that came in are newbies.
There's no bands on them.
No. All sorts of feathers in the water. So you can tell where I shot, all sorts of feathers in the water compared to over here. I didn't shoot over here to where I shot. Look at the iridescence on that wing.
Yeah, look at it.
Wow. Beautiful colors.
Unbelievable.
Well, we got 2 geese, 3 mallards, and a yearling wood duck. All in all, good day. Hopefully tomorrow would be better. Well, it's day 2. It is raining right now. It's supposed to rain, then stop, then rain, then stop. It's perfect duck hunting weather. Yesterday I didn't film as much because the camera ran out of battery and memory. Today we got fully charged cameras, 24-hour memory cards. So we should get all the filming, and I look like a ghost. Oh my God.
Shit.
Yeah.
Around.
Beautiful colors on this green head. Go green, baby. Perfect plumage. Perfect plumage Drake. They're right at the beaver pond.
Oh, come on, give me a break. Look at the other ones you just took off.
There's a dead crow up there, and this dude tried to come in and bark at the other crow. I toasted him. Or they even.
Oh, boom! Boom! I got one. That one went right down over there. That one went.
Good job, dude.
Duck.
That's my first duck.
Oh, decoy coming at me. There.
Yeah.
First duck.
Are you stirring your hot chocolate with a gun?
Yep.
There's no spoon out there. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends about my channel. See you next video.